Hello, good morning. It's CEO of RMI International, Yunus Rajput. We are right now doing our shipment of soap nuts. This is the packing. The production is going on. The work is difficult, but we have to do this. The color is quite well. You can see here that the nice color, golden brown. Our quality is the toppest quality of Pakistan. Soap nuts. Here the soap nuts, the separation between the seeds and the soap nut shells is going on. RMI International production. First we'll do like that. We separate the seeds and then the soap nut shells. Shells come across in this PP bag, 25 kilo this PP bag, and then we put in transparent bags. I show you in our next videos the more packing detail and more our production. You can see here our top quality. Every soap nut is quite good quality. Selected perfect quality, that is international standard accepted by the German standards. ISO also accepted our quality. This crop is the fresh crop that is coming right now from our hills area of Pakistan. That's not old. All crop is gold and brown. There's no black inside mixed like other people in India or in Pakistan they do. We have here some stock. In our other factories there is also some stock. We make this in separate units so that it can be easily pick out the good quality control. From the other our factory, I will show you the whole our warehouse stock. That is almost 250 tons. I make the documentary also how we bring this crop from our mountains and our trees until the packing. But this is the first one we want to show you. This is the company RMI International. I'm the CEO, Yunus Rajput. And this container is going to Germany. Our export is in whole Europe, USA, and whole world. See, very good quality. We do this manually so that we can easily check and control every seed. You see here. Thank you so much for your time and watching RMI International production of soap nuts. Have a nice day from the CEO and keep in touch for our next videos. Sign up us on YouTube or on our website. All details are given on. And if you have any more question or you need any more information about the trees, packing detail, quality control, all these things, you're always most welcome. I am always available 24 hours on Skype, WhatsApp to give you answers. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Thank you. Bye-bye.